Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Pixelorama, which is a 2D sprite editor, on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will enable Linux apps on our device. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the Linux icon on the left panel. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install Pixelorama. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift and V together. This command will update our Linux apps repositories. This command should run automatically as soon as you paste it into a terminal session. Now we will install Flatpak with the second command. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Now we will enable the official FlatHub repository on our Chromebook. With the last command, we will install Pixelorama. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Press Enter again. This is a long process, so we are going to fast forward it. Pixelorama is now installed on your Chromebook. However, we need to disable the Chromebook GPU support, otherwise, you will have some display issues. So we will go to the following URL, which you will find in the video description. Under the Chromebook GPU support section, disable the function. Now we need to reboot our system to enable the change. Pixelorama is now ready to be used. We will now open the application. Enjoy!